My child, my precious, beloved child, do you hear my voice breaking through the noise, cutting through the doubt, reaching into the deepest chambers of your heart? I see you, I know you, and I am speaking to you now, right in this very moment, because a profound shift is at hand. This isn't just another message. This is a divine appointment, a turning point. I am making all things new in your life, and I want you to fully grasp the magnitude of what that means. Before we go deeper, and we will go deep into the very heart of my love for you, I need you to do something for me, and more importantly, for yourself. This isn't just a request. It's a key to unlocking the fullness of the blessings I have prepared. First, show me you're listening, that you're receiving this word, by tapping that like button. It's a small act, but it signifies your openness to my grace. Next, I want you to share this message with 3 people you deeply care about. 3 souls who need to hear this promise of renewal, this assurance of my unwavering love. Don't keep this light to yourself. Let it spread like wildfire, igniting hope in the hearts of those you cherish. This is your act of love, echoing my own. And finally, subscribe to this channel. Become part of this family of believers, this community of hope. By subscribing, you're ensuring you won't miss a single word of guidance, a single whisper of encouragement that I have for you in the days and weeks to come. This is your commitment to walking with me on this journey of transformation. And one more thing, a small but powerful act of faith. In the comments below, I want you to type the word renew. Just that one word. It's a declaration, a seed of faith you're planting in the fertile ground of your heart. It's a signal to the universe and to your own spirit that you are ready to receive the newness I am bringing. Do these things now. Don't delay. Your obedience, your willingness to engage, is a crucial part of this process. Listen patiently to the very end of this message, allowing my words to penetrate your soul, to wash away the old and make way for the new. And I promise you, as your loving Father, that blessings beyond your wildest imagination will flow into your life and the lives of your family. Your obedience is the key. Your faith is the catalyst. And my love is the unwavering foundation. Now, let us begin. My beloved son, my precious child, formed in the secret places, knitted together with intention and purpose, hear my voice resounding through the chambers of your heart, a voice that transcends the clamor of the world, a voice that speaks directly to your spirit, your essence, the very core of who you are and who you are eternally destined to become. Feel the weight, the immense, immeasurable weight of my love, a love that predates time, a love that knows no bounds, a love that embraces every flaw, every imperfection, every stumble, and still declares you worthy, cherished, infinitely precious. I see you, my son. I see beyond the facade, beyond the masks you may wear, beyond the carefully constructed image you present to the world. I see the raw, vulnerable, authentic you, and I love you, completely and unconditionally. Do not allow the insidious whispers of doubt, those persistent, nagging voices that echo the failures and shortcomings of the past, to dim the radiant, glorious light that I have placed within you. Those voices are not your own. They are the echoes of a defeated enemy, a liar who seeks to steal your joy, to cripple your potential, and to keep you bound in chains of fear and self-condemnation. Recognize them for what they are, deceptive illusions, empty threats that hold no power over you unless you choose to give them power. Your past, with all its triumphs and tragedies, its joys and sorrows, its successes and setbacks, is not a prison that confines you. It is a tapestry, a complex and intricate weaving of experiences that have shaped you, molded you, prepared you for this very moment, for this divine appointment, for this radical transformation that I am orchestrating in your life. I am making all things new, my son. This is not a whimsical notion, a fleeting thought, a hollow promise. It is a divine decree, an unshakable truth etched into the very fabric of existence, a reality that is unfolding even now, in this very breath, in this very heartbeat. You have traversed valleys shrouded in darkness, where the shadows of despair threatened to consume you. You have navigated tempestuous storms, where the winds of adversity battered you relentlessly, and the waves of disappointment crashed over you, threatening to pull you under. You have felt the piercing sting of betrayal, the crushing weight of loss, the agonizing ache of loneliness, and the relentless gnawing of anxiety. But those trials, those seemingly insurmountable obstacles, those moments of intense pain and suffering, were not meant to break you, my precious son. They were not punishments. They were preparations. They were the refining fire, the crucible in which your character was forged, your resilience was strengthened, and your spirit was tempered. They were the necessary detours, the seemingly endless wanderings in the wilderness, that ultimately led you to this place of profound encounter, this moment of divine revelation. Let go, my son. Release the burdens you have carried for far too long, the heavy stones of regret, the suffocating weight of guilt, the corrosive bitterness of unforgiveness, the paralyzing fear of the unknown. Release them into my loving embrace, surrender them at the foot of the cross, and allow my grace, my boundless, unfathomable grace, to wash over you, cleansing you from the inside out, renewing your mind, restoring your soul, and making you whole. The past does not define you. Your mistakes, your failures, your shortcomings do not determine your worth or dictate your destiny. Your true identity is found in me, in the eternal truth that you are my beloved child, created in my image, fearfully and wonderfully made, a masterpiece of divine artistry. You are chosen, set apart, anointed for a specific purpose, a unique mission that only you can fulfill. Do not shrink back from the calling I have placed upon your heart, the deep yearning, the persistent tug, the undeniable sense that you were made for more. Do not allow the voices of fear, doubt, and insecurity to silence the voice of your soul, the voice of your Creator, the voice that whispers your true name and calls you to step into your greatness. The world needs your light, my son. The world is desperately yearning for the unique gifts, talents, and perspectives that you possess. Do not withhold them, do not hide them, do not allow fear to paralyze you into inaction. Step out in faith, embrace your authenticity, and share your light with the world, knowing that I am with you every step of the way, guiding you, protecting you, empowering you, and providing for your every need. New doors are opening before you, my son, doors of opportunity, doors of blessing, doors of divine connection, doors that you could not have imagined in your wildest dreams. These are not random occurrences. They are divinely orchestrated appointments, carefully planned and meticulously timed to align you with your purpose and to propel you forward on your path. Do not hesitate, do not second guess, do not allow fear of the unknown to hold you back. Walk through those doors with courage, with confidence, with the unwavering certainty that I am leading you, guiding you, and preparing the way before you. I am clearing the obstacles, removing the roadblocks, and making a way where there seems to be no way. Leave behind what is familiar, what is comfortable, what feels safe. If it no longer serves your highest good, if it hinders your growth, if it keeps you trapped in a cycle of stagnation, embrace the uncertainty, the adventure, the limitless possibilities that lie beyond the confines of your comfort zone. For it is in the unknown, in the uncharted territory, that true growth occurs, that miracles happen, that breakthroughs are realized, and that your true potential is unleashed. There will be moments of doubt, times when the path ahead seems shrouded in fog, when you question your ability, when you feel overwhelmed by the challenges you face. In those moments, cling to my promise. I will never leave you nor forsake you. I am your constant companion, your unwavering support, your ever-present help in times of trouble. I am your refuge, your strength, your shield, your provider, your healer, your deliverer. I am everything you need, and I am always with you. And oh, my son, how I delight in your vulnerability, in your willingness to lean on me, to trust in my wisdom, even when you don't understand the intricacies of my plan. It is in your weakness, in your moments of utter dependence on me, that my power is made perfect, that my glory is revealed. Do not try to carry your burdens alone. Do not attempt to navigate this journey in your own strength. Do not rely on your own understanding. Surrender to my will, submit to my authority, and allow me to lead you, to guide you, to empower you, to transform you. You will witness the unfolding of a life that surpasses your wildest expectations, a life filled with purpose, passion, joy, peace, and abundance. Healing is flowing into your life, my son. like a mighty river, washing away the residue of past pain, restoring the broken places, mending the wounded heart, and bringing wholeness to every area of your being. The emotional scars, the deep-seated wounds, the lingering trauma are losing their grip, their power to define you, their ability to hold you captive. A new sense of joy, peace, and freedom is rising within you, a lightness of being that you may not have experienced in years. The tears you have cried, the prayers you have whispered, the cries of your heart that seemed to go unanswered have not been in vain. They have watered the seeds of your future blessings, the seeds of hope, the seeds of healing, the seeds of restoration. The struggles you have endured, the battles you have fought, the obstacles you have overcome, have forged within you a resilience, a strength, a tenacity that will enable you to face any challenge, to overcome any adversity, to conquer any fear. You are becoming a living testimony of my goodness, a radiant beacon of hope for those who are lost and hurting, a walking, breathing example of my transformative power. Your story, your journey, your transformation will inspire others, will ignite faith in those who have given up on their dreams, will encourage those who are struggling to believe that I can do the impossible. Remember, my son, that my timing is always perfect, even when it seems delayed, even when it doesn't align with your own expectations or desires. What may appear to be setbacks, detours, or roadblocks are often divinely orchestrated preparations, necessary adjustments, strategic realignments that are ultimately leading you to a place of greater blessing, greater influence, and greater fulfillment. Trust in my plan, even when you can't see the full picture, even when it doesn't make sense from your limited human perspective. Have patience, for the seeds you have sown in faith, in obedience, in love, are germinating beneath the surface, growing silently, steadily, preparing to burst forth in a harvest of abundance that will exceed your wildest imagination. Do not compare yourself to others, my son, for each journey is unique. Each path is divinely ordained. Each individual is created with a specific purpose and a unique set of gifts and talents. Focus on your own growth, your own transformation, your own relationship with me. The more you deepen your connection with me, the more clearly you will see your purpose, the more confidently you will walk in your calling, the more effectively you will fulfill the destiny I have prepared for you. And as you walk this path of renewal, be mindful of the power of your words, the impact of your actions, the influence you have on those around you. Let your words be seasoned with grace, filled with encouragement, and infused with the truth of my love. Let your actions be motivated by compassion, guided by wisdom, and empowered by my spirit. Be a source of light, a dispenser of hope, a channel of my peace, a reflection of my glory. Combat fear with unwavering faith, doubt with steadfast belief, negativity with the power of positive expectation, grounded in the truth of my promises. You are not alone in this battle, my son. I am fighting for you. I am equipping you with the spiritual weapons of righteousness. I am surrounding you with my angelic host, protecting you from every attack of the enemy. The forces of darkness may attempt to intimidate you, to discourage you, to distract you from your purpose, but they have no authority over you. You are covered by my blood, shielded by my grace, empowered by my spirit, and destined to overcome. Walk boldly, confidently, fearlessly into your future, my son, knowing that you are deeply loved, divinely chosen, and eternally destined for greatness. Let go of the fear of failure, the fear of rejection, the fear of judgment, the fear of the unknown. Embrace the adventure, the uncertainty, the limitless possibilities that lie before you. I am with you, always, in every moment, in every circumstance, in every season of your life. I am in you, empowering you, strengthening you, guiding you, and transforming you. I am for you, advocating for you, fighting for you, and working all things together for your good. The newness I am bringing into your life is not a superficial makeover, a temporary fix, a fleeting improvement. It is a radical, profound, complete transformation, a fundamental shift in your consciousness, a total renewal of your mind, your body, and your spirit. It is a restoration of your true identity, a reclamation of your inherent power, a release of your God-given potential. You are being reborn, reshaped, remolded, refined. into the magnificent masterpiece I created you to be from the very beginning. This process of transformation may be uncomfortable at times. It may require you to relinquish control, to surrender your own plans, to let go of things you hold dear, to step outside your comfort zone, to confront your deepest fears. But I promise you, my son, it will be worth it. The temporary discomfort, the momentary pain, the fleeting sacrifices will pale in comparison to the eternal rewards, the immeasurable blessings, the boundless joy, the unspeakable peace, the abundant life that awaits you. As you surrender to my will, as you yield to my leading, as you trust in my plan, as you allow me to work in your life, you will witness miracles unfold, breakthroughs occur, opportunities arise, and dreams come to fruition in ways you never thought possible. You will experience a depth of intimacy with me, a level of joy, peace, and fulfillment that surpasses all human understanding. You will become a living, breathing testament to my power, my love, my grace, and my faithfulness. And through your transformation, through your radiant light, through your unwavering faith, you will inspire countless others to seek me, to trust me, to believe in the impossible, to embrace their own potential for renewal and transformation. Your life will become a beacon of hope, a guiding star, leading others out of the darkness of despair and into the glorious light of my love. So, embrace this new season, my beloved son, with open arms, with a grateful heart, with unwavering faith. Embrace the challenges, for they are opportunities for growth. Embrace the opportunities, for they are pathways to blessing. Embrace the unknown, for it is the realm of miracles. Walk in faith, not by sight. Walk in love, not in fear. Walk in the power of my Spirit, not in your own strength. You are never alone. I am always with you, guiding you, protecting you, empowering you, and loving you unconditionally. And I am making all things new, not just in your life, but in the lives of those you touch, in the world around you, in the very fabric of creation. Receive this truth, my son. Believe it with all your heart. Live it out in every aspect of your being. The time for renewal is now. The time for transformation is now. The time to step fully into your destiny is now. I am your Father, your Creator, your Redeemer, and your friend. And I am making all things new.